Today I have with me Julia Miotson. I hope I said that right. All the way from Russia. Welcome, Julia.
Yeah, thank you. Hi, baby.
Hey, so do you want to tell us a little bit about yourself? Because I know you, but not everyone knows you. So do you want to just introduce yourself there a little bit better than I introduced you?
Well, I am a pure CSS animator from Russia, and I guess many knows me by my mustached nanny from CodePen. It's a pure CSS animation uh, where mm, old old nanny making creatures and doing other things and all this in CSS. So yeah, I'm a pure CSS animator. That's all.
I love it because, before many years ago, I was like only CSS and that was what I was good at. And then like the world just wouldn't allow me get a job because I didn't have JavaScript. And I love now that it doesn't matter if you don't have JavaScript. CSS is back, right? Because you can do so many
Yes.
cool things with CSS. And you can do really cool things with CSS. Now you're like, you're doing amazing things. I can't do those amazing things. And you're going to show me today, right?
Yes.
We have a couple of people in the chat. So, hey, welcome. So there's a couple of people watching. And if you do have any questions, do throw them in the chat. I'm going to be like trying to build something, learn something, and monitor the chat at the same time. So forgive me if I'm a little bit slow. So, Julia, tell us, what are we going to do today?
We're gonna make a little cute beaver.
A little cute what? Beaver.
Beaver. Yeah.
Yeah, a little animal. Okay.
Yep.
Okay, sounds exciting. How are we going to do that?
With 10 divs
With
and
10
a little
divs.
bit CSS. Yes.
And
And
that's
that's all.
it. And that's it. It's so easy, right? So if you don't know CSS, we're going to make a beaver with 10 divs and a little bit of CSS and no JavaScript, right?
Yes.
Incredible, right? This is going to be fun. This is going to be very, very fun. Okay, let me see. Where do we start? I just want to make sure I have the chat open here. Hey, hello. We have a few people in here on Twitch. We have a few people coming on from YouTube. So, oh my God, I've got two chats going on. This is like full on. Right. So, CSS Animations. Here we are. Okay. Let's open a code pen so we can get started. There we go. This is a code pen. I don't use code pen that much, but code pen is great for sharing code and for building things and then putting it live. You have a very good code pen where people can follow your examples. So after this, people can then take our example, right? Take our beaver and use it if they want, right?
Yes.
Yay!
Yes.
I love
Yes.
it. I love it. Sharing is caring. It's all about sharing. Okay, so where do we start?
So
Just create 10
we
divs.
don't need JS
Okay, so do we just close
at all.
that?
Yes.
How do you close
we
that?
can just turn.
I don't
how
use
to.
CodePen very often.
Yes.
We just drag it over here. There we
Divide.
go. Look at
Yeah.
that. It's gone. It's gone.
Yes.
JavaScript is gone. We got rid of the
Yes.
JavaScript. Good
And we
evening,
can-
Albert. Albert's in the house, and Mick Kill 94, and we have Way. Whoo! Yes, love it, love it. No pressure, no pressure, Julia. We have people watching now.
Yes. So we can change view to yes, and choose first one.
First one, okay.
It's gonna be yes. It's a more
Okay.
useful space for our
Cool.
beaver.
What's
And,
the menu today? Sorry, I'm going to talk over you a lot, Julia. That's just
Yeah.
me. Julia's here to teach me CSS animations. And I don't know any CSS animations. So we're going to build something, and I'm a complete beginner with CSS animations, and Julia is an expert. So she's going to just walk me through it, and I'm just going to see what happens.
So let's start. We need 10 divs at all.
Okay, so
That's
do
all,
I
just
do
10 divs. We need one big div, and other will nest it in there. So first div we need name a class, just beaver or something like this.
in the first div? Shall I make all these divs first?
No, just let let's
Start
call
with
them.
one. Start with one.
Yes.
Okay, let's start with. Okay.
Let's add class
A
for
class.
it, and let's call it Beaver or animal or
Beaver
something.
sounds good.
Yes. And inside of Beaver we have tail, div for tail, div for
Hang on a
legs,
moment. Oh, a
div for
div, right? A div for a
right.
tail. Oh my god,
Yes.
we're chopping up the beaver.
Yes.
Do you want a class of tail as well?
Yes. Tail. We need div for legs,
Legs.
for both legs. For right arm, it's a
Right
separate.
arm.
Yes. And we need div for body.
Okay.
And everything will go inside body. Just eyes.
Okay.
Yes. Another arm, left arm. Yeah. We
Inside the
have
body.
right. We need yes. Not inside eyes.
Not inside the eyes. We don't want the right arm inside the eyes. Yeah, no, that would not be good.
It's strange.
I mean, we could create a beaver monster. Div dot right arm. Arm. Spell it right,
Yeah.
Debbie. Okay.
And we have just mouth, his tooths and mouth, and one D for his belly.
Div dot belly.
Yeah. So that's all.
Okay, there we go. That's it. We've done. Well done. Thank you. See you later. Bye. We've got a beaver. We've got tail, legs, the right arm, a body. We've got eyes in the body, right arm in the body. The mouth is in the body. The belly's in the body. But
Yes.
why is the right arm not in the body? Should the right arm? I have two right arms. Oh, thank you, Alistair. The left arm. This should be the left arm. Which arm goes where?
Left inside body, yes, and right outside the body.
Okay, so he's going to be like one is here and the other is over here or something, right?
Yes.
I'm guessing.
So,
okay.
and we need made something not good.
We
in
did
CSS.
something not good. What do you mean we did something not good?
Yes, we need a star selector in CSS. It's not.
Oh, we're
good,
gonna do
but-
a hack. Okay, we're gonna hack
Yep.
today. That's okay. Hacking is good on streams. It's all good.
Yes, because we need make everything in this demo position in absolute. So that's why we need a star selector. Yes.
Absolute, like the vodka.
Yep. How do you know it?
Everyone knows vodka. Come on.
Yes. Absolute. Do you have it?
I do. I have them. Yes, I have a bottle of Absolute vodka in my house. Yes. I really love Moscow Mules. It's one of my favorite drinks. I swear to God, it is amazing. I love Moscow Mules. We'll have a Moscow Mule when we finish, if we get this beaver up and going.
That's a great idea. And we have a beaver class, and let's position it at top 20 pixels. And no,
No, you're on top.
positioning. We need top. And
I
we
know.
need
Sorry.
left.
Yeah.
Yep.
Top left.
Okay. Yes. Top 20 pixels and left, let's say 100 or 200 pixels. Yeah, 100, it's okay.
100? Okay. Can't see anything.
So which...
Our beaver is invisible.
We just placed him to for future work. So let's make body to
Thanks,
see
Suzuku.
everything.
We just put the what? Say that again. The body what? What do we do with the body?
Body, yeah. Let's write body.
Shall I just move this over a bit so we have...
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, there we go. Yeah. What are we doing with the body?
Let's write his width.
His width, okay.
Yes.
Oops, not there.
Not there.
Not there.
Almost.
I'm trying to do two things at the once. I've like got the chat over there. I'm like watching that. So yeah, width, okay.
120 pixels.
Okay.
It's gonna be small.
Yeah.
Literally small. And height 115 pixels. 50.
Oh, 50.
Pixels. Yep. And let's name background. Background brown. For example.
Background brown in the body.
Beavers are, yes, because beavers are brown.
Background
Yes.
brown. Beavers are brown. Beavers are brown. Who is the girl on the right? This is Julia, all the way from Russia. And Julia's here. She's an expert in CSS Animations. And she is here to teach me how to create a beaver. That's gonna, what is the beaver gonna move?
Little bit.
The beaver is gonna move with CSS, no JavaScript, no idea how we're doing this. We're doing it with 10 divs and some CSS. If you want to know how we're going to do it, you just keep watching. Hey, Edward. Hey, Marcel. Hey, Ordoz. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. And yeah, let's get this beaver moving. Okay, we've got the body. The background is brown. Okay, cool.
Yes, and we need border radius.
Border radius.
His shape. Yes, border radius.
Yeah.
It's 60, 60, 30, 30.
60, 60,
Pixels,
30,
yes.
30. Oh, pixels.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's all in pixels.
I know, but sometimes I don't think. I just hear you and then I type and I don't actually think about what I'm doing. Oh, I'm saving, but it saves automatically. Oh, look, there we go. Oh, that body's looking a bit better now. I like it. I'm getting excited. This is going to be so cool. Hey, Kim. Hey, A. Holland. Yes, we're moving and grooving. Let's go. Let's go. What else are we doing? Okay.
Yep. And now we will draw his ears.
His ears, okay. Do we have ears? Did we create a div? We didn't create a div for ears.
Yes.
Well, I didn't.
We have pseudo elements in our body. So the pseudo elements before and after. So they will be our ears.
Oh, okay. We're going to create ears with CSS.
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense. Okay. I'm just going to follow along. No questions asked. Let's go. Right. So you want me to do, what are we doing?
Just write dot body.
Dot body. Oh, we have body.
Yeah,
oh, you want me? Oh, because you want me to do pseudo. Yeah.
Yep. And we need before.
Okay.
Yeah. And open it.
Open it. It's open.
It's gonna be with 25 pixels.
Oh, with. Oh, she left. Oh, you're back.
Nope, I'm here. It's
all right. But
I don't know what's going on. And
I'm gonna tell you what's going on. I am gonna bring the blinds down because the sun is coming in now, and it's like, give me 2 seconds. I'm still here. You can hear me. Okay, that's better. That's better.
You're so lucky you have sun. I don't.
Yeah, but it's very hot right now, and this is like hard work, and now I'm getting all hot and sweaty and stressed.
And making beaver.
And making a beaver. Okay, we have
Friday.
Yeah. Is it Friday the 13th? No, thank God. Phew. Okay.
Yeah. And we need height.
Height.
18 pixels.
18? Yeah.
Yes. 18
cool.
pixels. And let's call background like dark brown.
Is it just dark brown like that?
Yep.
Is it a capital B?
Not.
Sometimes I get confused as if the light sun was you, Randy, lighting up the chat room. Oh, so nice. Okay, we're not seeing this. Why are we not seeing
this?
Let's
write hex. I just tell you what's right.
Okay. You lead the way. You lead the way.
Yeah. Delete dark brown.
Delete dark
and
brown.
write, yeah,
And what do you want me to put?
write
Red.
hashtag.
Hashtag.
No, yep.
Oh.
We're gonna get hex. Yeah, B56, right. Hashtag.
Hang on now. Hang on. You're confusing me. Hashtag. So you want
B.
red or RGB?
Yep, not RGB, hex.
You want the hex here, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Yes.
What are we doing? Go on. Tell me. Give me the color.
B.
B.
56.
56.
F.
F.
3C.
3C, and this is going to give us dark brown. I just don't think it's coming up. I think the dark brown is working. We're just not seeing her before class.
That's strange. Oh yeah, we didn't write content for
the CSS to show that there's something in there.
Yes.
So if I was to
Yes.
do something in here, would it work? No, it didn't give me that. It didn't give me that.
No,
I don't know.
no, you just in CSS should write after before. You should write content.
I was going to say a terrible word there. But yes,
Yes,
content
and,
like this.
Yes. Yes.
Woohoo!
Empty.
It's been a while. Wesley, you were right on board there. You were, yeah, sorry. Shaik, you have a very good question in there. Access token and refresh token. Woof. Probably one day, not now, because I need to learn all that first before I can make videos. So we'll see. Okay, we've got our content in there. We're doing better. We're doing better. Right, let's get this beaver going. We still don't see it though. Oh,
no, it's just didn't save.
It didn't save. What do you mean it didn't
know why.
save? It did save.
Oh, not saved. It's
saved
because we have content. We have
Yeah. Like if I put something in here, would it?
background?
Because there's nothing in it, right? If I'm putting anything in here.
Just let's add display block. Maybe it's gonna help because it's strange.
It's strange.
Yeah, and we should add position absolute for this before.
Oops, absolute. Like the vodka. Okay.
Yes. So we see it.
Cool.
And
Don't.
position it.
This is his eye, right?
Nope. It's
His ear. Okay, this is his ear.
Yes.
Okay. I'm seeing it. Yeah, kind of. All right.
So we need place it in right place. Let's write top 5 pixels. And left 8 pixels. Yes, almost there. And we should add border radius. Sorry.
No problem. Border radius.
Yes. And they're gonna be not pixels, percentages.
Okay.
Oh my god. So 60%, 60%. Yes, and 40%, 40%.
Oh, that's $1. We don't want dollars. Okay. It's very hard to type when like the screen is so big. Okay, we have our ear. Okay, it's looking good.
And let's rotate it. For this we need transform. Yep, and function rotate.
Function rotate or just write rotate. I haven't done much
just
transforms.
rotate and I forgot how it calls.
The brackets, the parentheses.
Yes. That's right.
Parentheses, yeah.
Sorry.
Or brackets.
And,
you can just call it brackets. It's whatever's easier.
Yes, brackets. Inside them, we should write minus 25 degrees. And
Ooh, I need to put the symbol, right?
No, just
I can just, I can write it. I can write it. DEG.
No, just deg. Yes. and
Yes. Together?
delete space. Yes, together.
Okay, I was going to say,
And
where's that symbol on
that's
my
all.
keyboard to get the degrees? Oh, look at that, the ear moved.
We have it. Yes.
Yeah. I mean, it looks like a oil can right now. Right? Our beaver looks like an oil can, but you have to imagine that this is a beaver. It's just missing the rest of the pieces. Okay. Let's
It's gonna
go.
be Beaver. It's okay. And now
Okay.
we should copy all what we write for before and paste it for after pseudo
Oh,
animate
okay.
of
Okay.
our
Because we
body.
want to have the same. Oh, no, no. We want to copy the body before. And we paste it. That's what developers do. We copy and paste. And we
Yeah.
put after. And we're
Yes.
probably going to have to change the side, right?
Yes, we should rotate in different side. So we should just rotate not minus 25 degrees and just 25 degrees. Yes, and left, our left
We
should
change
be
to right.
No, it should be left, but let's call it 90 pixels. I guess
Okay.
it's gonna be okay. Yes. And we need to place this ear under the body. So for this, we need to write z index -1 for place it
Yes.
behind all of these bodies.
Because we only want to see the -1.
Yep.
We only want to
And,
see the top of it.
Oh no, here we don't need
Not
it
here.
because it's yeah.
So where?
For after, yeah, not for before. For
Not for
our-
before, only for after. Why?
Yes. Because he stands with left-
Sideways.
yes, with
Okay.
left ear for
Yes.
us, and his other
Okay,
ear
like
is
flipping.
behind.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool. I got you.
Something
Gotcha.
like
I'm
this.
with you.
So let's make his I guess arms. We have left arm and right arm. Let's start with left arm, which
Okay.
is inside our body.
Left arm.
Yeah, and
It's getting exciting. Sorry.
it will be with.
I'm a terrible student. Yep.
No, you're a great student. It's 35 pixels
Okay.
and height 55 pixels. Yep, and we need a background. Let's write hex again. Yes. E, A, B. Yes. 4, 5, 2. Yeah. Almost there.
That so looks like a left arm. I can see it there. It just. Okay.
And we need border radius again in pixels, not persons. 0, 0, 16, 16.
Okay.
Yep. Looks like a sausage, but it's okay. It's arm.
The beaver's arm
and-
is looking strange. Okay.
Yep. And it's gonna be positioning at top 100 pixels.
Ooh.
And we don't have any for left. You can copy this background color and add it for body. It's gonna be the same.
This background color.
Yeah.
And add it
It's
to the body.
His,
Instead of background brown.
Yes, yes, because this brown like red. looks like great.
Yeah,
so
it
yeah, we
did.
have a beaver.
Okay.
And we need add our second arm.
Okay.
It was left arm, and we have right arm.
Okay. Let's get this beaver his right arm. Okay.
Yeah, and it's the same size, so you can just copy. You can just copy everything. We just
I
place
love
in
it.
the
Just
right.
copy it. Done. There's me right arm. Sorted.
And yeah, top 100, yes, and left 88 pixels.
Very precise there. Ooh.
Yes.
Maybe a little bit less.
Almost. Yes, a little bit less, maybe 86
No.
or maybe 85.
85. You're right. Yep.
Yes, right place.
Okay. Now
And
it's looking.
almost.
I wouldn't say almost. I would say kind of like a. I don't know. Like a Pac-Man monster that's coming to get you.
Yes. Let's change the background color so this arm is behind the body, so it should be darker than
Okay.
the body. It's called DE 8048. Yes,
Okay.
it's okay. It's behind arm. And we need the mouth class.
Okay. The mouth.
And with this one div, we're gonna draw his face, his
Yeah.
nose, and his teeth.
Okay.
with
Okay.
One div. Okay, so let's write with 40 pixels.
Cool.
Yep. And height 13 pixels.
1, 3.
Yep.
Okay.
Lucky number. And background color.
Yeah.
Yep. And it's gonna be hex again. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
FB CC8.
FPE CC 8.
CC8. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. And we should place it at top 60 pixels and left 60 pixels. Right in the middle of his face. Yep, yes. Right there. And we should add border radius.
So he doesn't look like a robot.
Yes.
Okay.
Border radius is gonna be a half of height. So it's 7 or 8 pixels. Yep. Yeah.
Okay.
Almost.
You're seeing it. I'm not seeing it. You're seeing it.
Let's write before and after, like
So copy,
the
paste?
previous one. No, just
No?
write mouth before, mouth after.
Whoa. Spell it right. Mouth before. Aye. Mouth. After. I know. I just keep moving and then like my fingers are in the wrong place and I'm not looking and I'm looking here and not there and yeah.
No, you just writing like me. I almost misspelled something. It's okay. And we need content with empty string and position absolute for both of them.
Did you see, like that's the 5th time I've written absolute and I still write it wrong. What's wrong with me? I need to drink more absolute vodka.
Let's write for before, with, And height, it's gonna be 8 and 8 pixels. So it's a
Width 8 pixels?
yes, 8 and height the same.
Okay.
Yeah, and this is gonna be our div, I guess. We need border radius. Oh no, for after we don't have after for now. Just
We're still here.
yeah,
I
we
jumped.
still before border radius 0 0 4 4 pixels. So it's a divs. So they have the
Need a
flat
color, right?
top. Yes, and background color white.
Okay.
Because he has
Ooh, look at that! There's a tooth in his mouth.
teeth.
Yay!
Yeah. And
Okay.
we should position it so just right top 13 pixels, like his mouth size. Yes, and left 12. Let's call 12 or maybe 13. Yes, pixels.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes, hanging down. Okay.
And we need second. Tip.
Another tooth.
Yes.
How do we create another one?
We need box shadow.
Ooh.
Because with box shadow we can copy some things and place it in the different place. So we need box
I
shadow.
see.
We need what size of tooth? 8 pixels. So let's write 9 pixels for X ace. No, just right there. Yes.
Yeah.
0 pixels because it's yes just for horizontal in horizontal.
Oh, he's got a
Yes.
black tooth. He needs to wash his
Yes.
teeth.
And we need call it white because we don't need
Oh, look! It's so
Yes.
cute. Okay, this is cool. I'm getting very excited now. Does this look like a beaver to you, everyone? Does this look like a beaver? Let me know in the chat. I'm watching the chat. It's getting there. We're getting there. Okay, this is cool.
And we have after for his nose.
His nose, okay.
It's gonna be cuter. We need width 13 pixels and height 8 pixels.
8 pixels.
Yeah.
Okay.
And nose gonna be black color, so we just call background color black without any hex.
Yeah. And there we have a
Almost.
eye inside the mouth. Okay. Okay. Let's move his eye from his mouth.
Let's shape it with
Shape it first.
border radius. Yes. To look at like a real nose.
Okay.
So border radius 2 pixels. 2 pixels. It's for his top corners, and 6 pixels and 6 pixels for his border.
Okay, this is nose. Okay, cool. Yep.
Yes, yes. And we need place it. So we need top minus 4 or maybe 5 pixels. Yes, to place outside his mouth. And left 14 or let's try 14, maybe further.
Oh,
yeah, looks
look. Good. It's so cute. Okay, I like it. I like it. I like it. The beaver seal of approval from Jungle. Thank you. It's looking good. It's looking good. He needs some eyes now, right?
Yes.
Okay.
We have belly and his eyes. Yes.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
that's all. choose belly or eyes? Yes.
No,
Belly.
let's do the
Okay.
eyes first. Let's do the eyes first because like I'm really I have absolutely no idea what you're going to do with the belly, but I can imagine the eyes. So let's do the eyes.
Okay. So we need his eyes. We have one div for eyes and his brows. So
We've one div for eyes and his. We don't have anything in the
we,
eyes.
yes, we have one div, and
Yeah.
we're gonna use box shadow for copy his eye and
Of course
his
we are. Of course we
and his
are.
brow
I
as a
knew
pseudo
that.
element. Yeah. Pretty simple.
That's exactly what I would have done. Okay.
So his width it's 8 pixels and height 13 pixels. Lucky number for today.
If it makes the beaver
Yeah.
happy, then it's all good.
Yeah. And let's background color name black again because he
He has black eyes.
Who is it? It's yes,
Oop,
black
there's
eyes.
his eye.
Yeah. almost almost eye.
Now, hang on a minute. We need border radius to shape it.
Yep.
Debbie's learning. And I have
we
absolutely
need-
no idea. I would guess 25 pixels, 25, no, I don't know.
No, 100%, and that's all.
Is that it?
Yes.
Okay. Oh,
This
are
is
we going
right.
to turn it though?
No,
No,
we
it's gonna.
will
He's
place
got
it like,
there's
like
those
this.
eyes.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Cool.
We're gonna
Okay.
turn his brows. And
Okay.
we need top and left. So top it's 48 pixels and left 50 pixels. Yeah.
Left 15 pixels. Okay.
50.
Oh, 50.
Like under his nose.
Oh,
Yeah,
look
yeah.
at that.
Right place.
Yay.
And we need box shadow
Okay.
for another eye.
Of course. Duplicate.
And
Box shadow is for duplicating things. I never knew that before.
Yes. And we need maybe how long was our mouth? 40 pixels. Yeah. Maybe.
The mouth is here. The mouth is width of 40 pixels, yeah?
40 pixels. So we need 45 pixels. 0 and black because his other.
Oh, look at that. Should we move it a little bit more, or is it okay there?
Yeah.
Maybe
let's move it.
48?
48. Yeah.
No, 50? What do you think? I think that's good.
Looks fine. Yes.
I think it looks good. What do you think, everyone? It looks cute. Someone in the chat said it looks cute. That's good. I like it. Okay, we have a beaver. Now we need to put... No, what do we need to do now?
Brows.
The eyebrows.
Yes.
How on earth are we going to do the eyebrows? Anyone know how we're going to make eyebrows? Okay, tell me. Spill the beans.
So we need any pseudo element after or before. You can choose.
So the eye is before. And before the eyebrows, before the eyes, they have a brow.
Dot before eyes.
Oh, sorry, I missed the class. Yes, good catch.
Yeah. We need content with empty string and position absolute, the same as always. Yeah.
Okay.
And our eyebrows. Yes. So it's gonna be width 10 pixels and height 5 pixels.
Oh. 5 pixels. Okay.
Yes. And we need background color. It's gonna be hex because it's lighter than his beautiful eyes.
Okay.
So it's gonna be B 3 6 F 3 C. Yeah. Almost.
Okay, okay.
And we should add order radius again, as always.
I'm learning. Border
And
radius.
it's gonna
And
be the half of height, so it's gonna be 2 or 3 pixels. Let's place. Yes, 3 pixels. It's perfect.
okay.
And we need at top and left for
Top.
position in the right place. Yeah, top it's minus 11 pixels. Yeah, and left it's minus 2 pixels.
Okay, someone in the chat is asking, can I make a tutorial of Nuxt? I've made loads of tutorials on Nuxt. Let me know what's missing. There's a whole, like, loads of videos and a course on Jamstack Explorers on the Netlify website, Jamstack Explorer, so check that one out as well for more Nuxt stuff. But today I'm making CSS animations, which you can also use in Nuxt. Okay.
And we need,
That's
guess
so
what?
cute. Oh, I'm really liking this guy. Mr. Beaver. Let's copy him. We're copying this, right? And we put after.
We can copy if we want animate his eyebrows, and if we don't want to animate them, we can use a box shadow for duplicating. But let's add after. Yeah. And
I like the sound of
his
animating
eyebrows.
the eyebrows. I can imagine
Yes.
that. That looks cool. Okay. Ooh, this is exciting. Okay. Okay.
And we
Calm
need just
down, Debbie.
change left and maybe 40 pixels.
No, 40.
For 40, yes.
Oh, no.
Oh, not right, left. We should go left.
Go left. Oh, a little bit more.
Yeah. Yeah, right place.
Look at that.
He's cutie.
It's great. I like him. I want to take him home with me. Okay, now we need to put a belly on him.
Yeah.
So I'm imagining a circle.
Pretty simple.
It's a circle, right?
Almost ellipse.
Okay. So content?
No, it's not
No?
a pseudo element. It's just a div. So
Oh,
we
that's
don't
right.
need any
It's
content.
just a div. Okay.
We need width and height again with background color. It's gonna be 65 pixels and 50 pixels. Yeah. I guess it's gonna be right size. And background. Be ready for hex. Yeah. FBE E CC8.
CC.
1E. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's his belly. Bring the belly down. We gotta bring the belly down. Why did we choose to draw a beaver? Is this your spirit animal? That's a great question. That's for you, Julia. Why a beaver?
Wow. I don't know. I just woke up.
She just woke up and the beaver came to her.
Yes. What can we draw? Of course, beaver.
There you go. There you go. There's your answer. The next challenge, let's do this in Tailwind. That's an interesting question. Have you ever used Tailwind, Julia?
Yes, of course, but not for demos like this.
Okay.
Because we have so many
widths and heights and stuff. They're not utility classes,
yes.
Right? So if you're doing it in
Yes,
Tailwind,
yes.
you can do it in Tailwind, but you wouldn't want to be doing these kind of stuff all in Tailwind because that, like the border radius, like these are specific. They're not utilities. The position absolute you could do in Tailwind, for example, to not repeat those. But Tailwind, you don't want to be like doing stuff that's specific to those classes. So yeah, you can do it in Tailwind, but you would not want to do everything in Tailwind. Tailwind and CSS together is the better mix. But great question there, Jungle. Not a challenge. Anything can be done. Anything can be done. Right. We have our background color.
And
Let's move our belly.
Yes, we should make a ellipse from
Oh, yes.
this.
So this is where it's 50%.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ha ha ha, look at that. I remember from my many years of CSS from many time ago. Okay, top.
And we should place it in right place. Yes, top. Let's write 90 pixels and 50 pixels.
And right.
And 50 pixels.
90 and 50.
Not right. No. Right.
No.
Not right. Left. We
Okay.
left instead of right. Yeah. 50 pixels, and it's gonna be our belly.
Nice.
No,
It's a little bit.
not 50. Let's move to yeah. It's better.
I think that's good. I like it.
And we need his tail.
Okay, we need his
Beaver
tail.
Yeah.
So I have a question in the chat there. Let me just ask this question. How do you know when to draw it like this versus using SVG elements?
SVG is good, and it's better for real projects, like when you draw it for your users, for real users, not for cartoons like this. So SVG is better, but if you want to draw something simple like icons, like hamburger and maybe plus, minus, and so on, you can use CSS because it's has less elements in your DOM, and it's just simply to use because it's just one div, and with this one div you can make everything, and you can animate it because you will animate SVG and CSS with CSS animations. So what's the difference? Use CSS with simple pictures and use SVG for complicated pictures. So.
And would you call this Beaver a complicated feature or a simple feature?
It's totally complicated.
Okay, so it would be better to do it in SVG, right? If you were going to
Yep.
use this on our project, but we're doing it in CSS just because it's easier to show it in the code pen, etc., and do it.
Yes.
Okay, cool, great question. Okay, a tail.
Yeah, tail. So it's gonna be looks like his arms. So we need just his size, positioning, and color, but they're gonna be animation. So let's write with 40 pixels and height 90 pixels. Yeah. And we need a background color. Like his ears. So yes, let's write B56 F3C.
Okay.
Yes, it's right there behind.
I can see it. We need a border radius, right?
Yeah. And it's gonna be the half of his width. So it's 20 pixels. For make it looks like a sausage.
Yeah.
And we need to place it. So we just write top 50, I guess, pixels, and left gonna be in -2 or maybe -5, -2 pixels. Yes. And here gonna be something new. We need
something new. Are you ready? We need a what?
We need an anchor point for in CSS it's called transform origin. It's a point around which we're gonna rotate our object. So let's write transform origin and see what happens.
Transform origin altogether?
Yes.
Origin?
Right. Yes. And it's gonna be bottom right. Bottom space right. Yes, it's two dimensions. It's bottom and right.
Okay.
That's why they separate.
I'm with you.
Let's write transform rotate and see what change. Oh,
What happened?
no.
What happened? No. What do we do?
After right, we need a semicolon.
Oh, this is transform rotate is another one.
Separate.
Okay.
Yes.
I knew that.
I know you knew.
Nothing happened.
Yes, because rotate it's a function. We need
of course it is.
Name some degrees, like minus 15 degrees, just a little bit.
You see, in CSS there are functions. Oh, Siri, yes. I didn't ask you. Look, what's Siri doing? Oh my god. Siri just wanted to jump in there. Okay, cool. This is looking cool. We have a tail.
Yeah, and if you're gonna change these from 15 to maybe not minus 15 to just 15, or maybe different numbers, it's its tail will gonna rotate around this anchor point. So
okay,
if you comment the line with transform origin, it's gonna be rotate around his center point of all of his tail.
I'm just going to answer a question there. What did you miss? We are creating the Beaver with pure CSS. Yes, there's like these divs, right? There's nothing in there, just divs, and then pure CSS. This is all the CSS we've written to make this Beaver. And a question in the chat, is the Beaver going to walk?
Not walk, just a little bit.
Moving. Just kind of like move around.
Yes.
Okay.
Because we need more time for
walking, and we don't have enough time. We can't keep you all here that long, but we could make it walk. You could make it walk. I could not make it walk, but you could do it. Okay.
Yeah, you all just can fork it on CodePen and just.
You already have the finished one on a CodePen already.
No, it's yours.
Someone else can. Someone else can fork it and make it walk.
You can share your pen and.
Okay. Yeah. I'm going to share this. Okay, I'm going to share this pen, and then you can all have my Beaver, and you can play with it more. That's cool. I like it. I like it. Okay, let's make it move. What are we doing?
Yes, we're gonna move his tail and his eyebrows. So for tail, we need write an animation. No, inside our tail. We have
inside the tail, of course.
Yes. Animation. And let's call it tail, like it's okay. Yeah, and next write 1s. It's just 1 second.
1 second.
It's duration of our animation. It's pretty slow for his tail, but it's okay. And you should write infinity, because this animation should be infinity.
He's never gonna stop.
Yes, but in CSS we write infinity with the e on the end, not y. I don't know what.
Infinite.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Infinite.
Yes.
Okay.
And for we called animation, but we didn't write the animation.
No, we didn't.
We write with the keyframes, so we should write. Yes, and before keyframes, we should write a doc.
Dot? Oh, sorry, like class keyframes.
No, it's not a.
This?
What?
No, this?
I forgot how it calls in English.
Oh no! What's it called?
In your email, you write Debbie O'Brien something.
Dot.
Good. Not dot.
At.
Yes. Sorry, it's okay.
Yeah, it's really
I'm
easy
from
in
Russia.
English,
I
at.
can.
But in another
Yes.
language, it's really difficult. In Spanish, it's the, what is it in Spanish? Now I've forgotten it. Arroba in Spanish, right?
Roba.
So
Wow.
arroba, yeah. So in English, it's easier, at, right?
At,
I mean, I think
yes.
you can call it ampersand as well, but at is just easier. Um,
And
yeah, look,
we
everyone in the
place it
chat was
not.
actually giving it in the chat. They were all putting it in there.
And you
Okay.
should place it not before after keyframes. It's okay.
Here. Woohoo!
Yes, I'm just lost.
You can see that I don't know how
And
to write keyframes, right?
and
Okay,
I can
keyframes,
explain
tail.
how
No,
to
you're doing
write
great.
it.
You're doing
It's
great.
okay.
It's all good.
Open brackets.
Open brackets, these ones.
No, curve
Curly ones.
brackets. Yes, curly. Yeah. Uh, yes. And we have two keyframes actually. It's called from and to. So you should write from, open brackets, curly one. Yes. And inside them, we should write transform. Actually, the same as we write in a tail already. So it's rotate minus 15 degrees.
Okay.
Yes. And for second keyframe, it's a 2. Yeah. We should write, let's call it transform rotate minus 30 degrees.
So we're starting at the starting place and then we're going 15 degrees more. Okay.
Yeah. And
Does it
it's
work?
gonna move.
Hello, Beaver. Why are you not
Not-
moving? No.
Not moving.
What do we do wrong?
Tail. It's
Hello. Tail. Anyone in the chat see what's going wrong?
Yeah.
What do we miss?
have
What do
a
we miss?
semicolon after
Where?
2. After
We
2,
so
you should delete it.
do. Look at that. Always those semicolons. Oh, look at it, look at it, yay! Oh, that is so cool.
But it's not as cool as can be.
No, it can be
So,
cooler. Okay.
yeah, we have just 2 keyframes, but it looks like not natural, like a robot.
Yeah.
For making it more natural, we should add for our animation where we write tail 1 second after this. We should write alternate reverse. It's
After 1
gonna be
second.
our yes,
Alternate reverse.
Yes.
Like with a colon, yeah? Oh, wow, look at that. It's so soft.
Yeah.
Ah. Alternate reverse? Magic word. Never heard of that or seen that before. There we go. Answer to all your problems. Makes your
Yes.
beaver's tail move nicer. Very cool, very cool.
We could add just a third keyframe, just repeating our from, but we can add alternate reverse, not to write three
Okay, I get you.
keyframes
Yeah.
instead of 2. And let's move his eyebrows.
Okay. So let's add a keyframes eyes.
Eyebrows. Yes.
Eyebrows. And we want a
And
from.
we need from and to. Yes. Just the same. And we have transform, not rotate. Let's not rotate. Let's translate his eyebrows.
Okay, we want
like
to translate
this.
them. You see,
Yes.
translate goes for
And
me. Translate them into a different language, but in CSS, translate is translating from one place to another, maybe? No?
Yes. And we need translate, not translate, translate y for vertical dimension. Yes. And let's write 0 for from, and for 2 we write something like minus 10 pixels, maybe less. Let's try.
Okay. And
Let's write minus for up, not for
you want to go up?
yes.
Okay.
And
Okay.
where we have eyebrows, it was class eyes and before and after. Yeah, I remember.
Here.
Yes, and we need animation. Yes, how it calls
Eyebrows.
eyebrows. Yes. 1 second.
What?
It's long
One
animations.
second.
We need I guess a half of them, maybe.
Look at it. That is so cool. That is so cool.
Let's
Should we move
change
both of them?
dimension for not 1 second, maybe a half of second. Yeah. Yeah, and let's copy this line and add for before pseudo element. Yeah.
These are the
Yeah.
eyebrows. And now we should have
And
both.
yes, but let's add after duration, after half of second,
Yeah.
minus .2 second. It's
Just one minus.
1 minus, yes. And second, yes. It's a delay for animation.
Okay. On both
And
of them?
no, just for one.
Okay.
And we can change these numbers for if you want. Maybe not dot 2, maybe dot 5 or not 5.
Oh, that's to like the difference between the two, right?
Yeah.
What do we think, everyone?
He's so playful.
Dun-dun, 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 dun-dun. It's so cool. I love it.
Yes.
It's really cool. What do you think, everyone? Look at that eyebrow, says Massey. Yeah, look at that eyebrow. That is really, really cool. That's really, really cool. So, what did we do? We created 10 divs with class names for our divs. Our eyes, our left arm, our mouth, and our belly is in the body. The rest of them are outside, so they're positioned like behind and stuff. And then we just used pure CSS, no JavaScript at all. Pure CSS, position absolute for all of them. And then we have our Beaver class with a top of 20, left 100, the body class, border radius and background color, the body before. What does the body before give us?
It's ears.
The ears, right? So
Before,
these are the
yeah.
ears. So should we write? How do you do a comment in CSS? I never remember. It's not that.
Not slash star slash.
Star. Where's my slash? You can never find these things. 7. Slash star. Okay.
Yeah, and star and reverse slash. Yeah.
Yes. So we put the ears there. So if someone wants to take this, and then in the body after, what was this one? The other ear.
The same. Other ear, yes.
Ear 2. Ear 1. Right. Cool.
So before it's a left ear, and after it's a right ear.
That's the left ear, everyone. Here is the right ear. If you have any questions, let us know. Maybe make it raise its eyebrows on hover only. That's very interesting. Can you do it?
Yes.
Julia can do anything, apparently. And Matty said you could use GZAP in your view or Nookstap for animating instead of default animation. Yes, you can use GZAP. GZAP is very, very cool, and it does amazingly cool stuff. I've done one thing with GZAP, and it's like super cool. But yes, of course you can do that. That's the left arm. We don't need to put a comment there. That's the right arm. We've got the mouth. The mouth before the mouth is the teeth. And the box shadow creates the other
it's
tooth.
A nose. No,
And this is the nose.
it's a nose.
Yeah, no, but the box
Yeah.
shadow creates
Yes.
the other one. And then we have the eyes, and before the eyes is the eyebrow. And the other eyebrow. Okay, so we got the belly, we got the tail, and we have our keyframes for the tail and for the eyebrows. And now we're going to make it only on hover. Okay. How do we do that?
So we need to add not eyes. We have a beaver class.
Yeah.
Beaver class hover. Yep. And let's cascade it. So beaver hover and what we wanna animate his eyebrows. Yes.
The eyebrows on hover, yeah.
Yeah. So after hover, we should write eyes. Dot eyes. Yes. Eyebrows inside eyes. Yes. No. We don't have nesting in pure CSS.
Oh, we're in CSS, not in SCSS. That's true.
Yes.
Um,
For now, I
so
hope
we need to do.
now.
Yeah, you'd think they would add it in. This should be a great feature if we could just do
Yeah.
nesting. We can in post CSS though.
Yes.
Okay, so we've got.
And eyebrows is pseudo elements both. So we should write yes for after.
And then we need to do this again, don't we?
No, for before we should make it separate. Yes. I guess.
Okay. Let's do this. Does it have any arms? It kind of has these things at the bottom are the arms. These are meant to be the arms.
We forgot legs.
You forgot the legs?
Yes. But it's okay.
Okay, apparently has legs. We forgot the legs, but it doesn't matter. That's why he's not walking. This beaver can't walk. He's got no legs. I mean, it makes sense. Well, let's do the hover thing because I like that. Yeah, let's do the hover.
I rethink. Let's use one line, not the separate. Let's pause animation for default state and run animation for the hover. Yeah.
Okay.
Here we should write animation play state. It's
Animation
one property.
One word.
Yeah.
Dash play.
Yes. Dash play. Dash state.
Ooh, never used that before. Okay.
And on hover we should running. Yes. And for default state we should pause. So let's copy this this line and let's find our eyebrows where they are.
Here.
Yeah, and should add it, but not running. We need paused.
Oh, look at that.
And for second one, yes, the same. And let's add before for after line. Let's merge these two classes in one line.
Okay.
And now you can hover.
Haha, look at that. We did it. Oh. I like it. This is so cool. Oh, and you see you can keep the mouse there everyone. I'm hovering it, boom, which is very good for accessibility as well because you don't want all the things moving. So sometimes it's nice to just have it on hover. So that was a great challenge. Who was it that said that? Can we do it? Alex Aldrixian. Thank you. Yes, we got a clap. Well done. That was a great suggestion. I love it. Okay. Anything else you want to show us, Julia, before we finish up?
No, I guess you can just share this link and maybe somebody add his Legs.
Someone can add the legs. I
Different.
like it. I like it. Someone's going to add the legs for us. Right, what will we call it? Oh, look, it's gone. Oh, I'm going to delete something. Oh, here, edit.
Like pure CSS Beaver, maybe.
Pure CSS Beaver. Save.
Without legs.
Without legs. To do. Should we put a big to do in here? Add legs. No, we'll leave it as that. Okay, so how do people find this on CodePen? They just go to my CodePen
Yeah, or you can copy link. It
and copy this link.
can be. Yes.
Watch this, watch this. YouTube, everyone. Here is the beaver. Ta-da! Twitch. People on Twitch, are you ready? You're next. Here is the beaver. Ta-da! There you go. You all have a beaver. You can see that it works. You can study what we did, and you can edit it and create some legs for us and keep going on that. That is excellent. And my pens are terrible, so there's a couple in there, but there's not a lot of stuff. But if you want to really see really cool stuff, what is your pen? Name, it is Julie. Oh, let me spell it right. With an E, yeah?
Julie A. Not
Julia
A.
M.
Yeah. Mio. M-I-O.
M-I-O.
C. E.
E.
N-E.
M-E.
N-E.
N-E.
Not M. N-E. Yes.
Yeah.
And
no.
between Julia and Mia-san, I have a
dash.
What? Not dash.
No.
No dash.
Underscore.
Yeah. Sorry.
I spelled it wrong.
No, it's maybe I'm.
You're saying it wrong. I'm spelling it wrong.
Oh yeah, Julia Mia-san. It's somebody else. I'm just Mia-san here.
You're stealing someone else's name.
Yes.
There you go. Right, she forgot her own name on CodePen. Someone else had her.
I'm Julia Mia-san, and here I'm just
Yeah,
Mia-san
very
because
confusing.
Somebody.
So if you want to follow Julia and see the amazing work that she does, like some of these stuff is just like incredible. What's your favorite one? Like, look at this. Like, this is amazing.
Yes, this is my favorite.
If it's your birthday, if it's your birthday, look at that. Pure CSS. There's no JavaScript in this. This is amazing. Like, this is incredible. I encourage any of you to study, have a look at this. There's a lot of divs in there. There's a lot of work in there.
Yeah.
But it's absolutely fantastic. So, yeah, go and check out Julia's pens. And like this, did you do this?
Yes.
How? Like, everyone, just watch for a second. This blows my mind. This absolutely blows my mind.
It's a long one.
It's a long one. It's a long one.
Longest.
It's incredible. You could just watch this. I've watched this 5 times and I went, no way. This cannot be just CSS. This is incredible. Everyone, check out Julia's CodePen if you want to learn more about CSS Animations. Follow her on Twitter. She's going to be creating 1-minute videos and posting them on. Look at that. Oh, so much going on there. She's going to be posting them on Twitter. Am I right, Julia?
Yes.
Yeah. So if you want to learn, what is your Twitter handler?
Julia Mia-san.
Yeah, so this name here, and you'll find it on the CodePen as well, right? I know everyone's still watching this CodePen going, what the hell did she make this? Like, how long did it take you to make this?
Oh, 5 months.
5 months of work. Oh my gosh, 5 months of work in this. Look at that. This is incredible. Everyone, give her a round of applause. This is absolutely incredible. This is why we did not do this on the live stream, because we don't have 5 months to go live streaming. Like, oh, she just fell. Oh no. Right? This goes on and on and on.
Yeah.
How long? How long is it on for?
I don't remember. Oh, it's right.
Oh, there we go. Oh, that is incredible. I encourage you to watch that.
80 seconds.
80 seconds.
80 seconds. Yeah.
Absolutely incredible. Now, if I go back to your home page here. No, I went back to the home page. Sorry. I want to go forward. There we go. Backwards. Your Twitter handler should be here anyway, right? There we go. Yeah. Do you have it? Yeah. So if you go to our CodePen, you'll see. How do you find people on Twitter here? I'm not very good at CodePens, as you can see. There we go. Look, twitter.com. There's no, you see, I'm looking for the icon, right? So you can click on Twitter and you can go to her Twitter profile and then you can follow her and you can learn lots more about CSS animations. Thank you everyone for watching. I'm so glad you all enjoyed this. I hope you did. I certainly did. I learned a lot and I can't wait for these 1-minute videos. And every time you post one of these videos, I'm going to try and make it. I'm really you're going to put a CodePen example there, right? So I can copy it so I can pretend that I made it even though I didn't. Cool. Love that. Okay. We're going to close the broadcast. Thank you, everyone. And we'll see you the next time. Julia has a Twitch stream as well. So follow her if you want to watch more of this kind of stuff. And yeah, just follow Julia for more CSS. Thank you, everyone. And goodbye.